Paano po gamitin yung auto high beam ni Toyota Veloz? So, sige, shout out Mark and kay Val. Para sa iyo to, tara, sagutin natin. Okay, so first of all, this feature, yung auto high beam niya, no, is exclusive to the top of the line V variant. So, if you have the V variant, you can check over here at the left side. You have these 3 buttons right here, right? Okay. This one is for the activation of the forward collision assist, traction control, and this is the button that you want for the auto high beam. Okay, so as of the moment, we don't see anything right here sa screen natin. No? So what we're gonna do, make sure yung ating ilaw dito sa headlights is nandito siya sa pinakababa. Okay, so once I'm gonna press this again, the auto high beam feature, yan, lalabas na siya. Again, I'm gonna turn off, turn on. So the main advantage of this feature is pagka nasa kalsada tayo tas medyo madilim, okay, nag-automatically siya nagdidim pagka nararamdaman niya na may nakakasalubong tayo or may mga objects. So that's really convenient. I've been able to enjoy that driving dun sa probinsya namin. Yan, so saan nakatulong po. For more info about Toyota Veloz, go ahead to my YouTube channel, follow for more.